In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in Hostinger. If you want to create a separate area for something like a blog, shop, support page, or members section, adding a subdomain is a simple way to keep that content organized under your main domain. In Hostinger, the setup only takes a few clicks once you know where to go. To get started, head over to Hostinger and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that manages the website you want to work on. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be able to access all the settings for your hosting and domains. From the main area, click on Websites. This will bring up the list of websites connected to your Hostinger account. If you manage more than one site, take a moment here to confirm you're selecting the right one before moving forward. Next, click on Dashboard for the website where you want to create the subdomain. This opens the management panel for that specific site, where you'll find the tools related to domains, hosting, files, and other settings. Once you're inside that website's dashboard, click on Domains. This section is where Hostinger keeps the domain-related options for the site, including DNS settings and subdomain management. After that, click on Subdomains. This is the exact area where you can create a new subdomain for your website. If this is your first time doing this, just know that a subdomain is the part that appears before your main domain, like blog, yourdomain.com, or shop, yourdomain.com. Now type in the name of the subdomain you want to make. The name should match the purpose of the page or section you're creating. For example, if this will be for a blog, you might use blog. If it's for a store, something like shop can make sense. If it's for customer help, support is a clear option. Try to keep it short, easy to remember, and relevant to the content it will hold. Then type out that name in the subdomain field. Be careful with spelling here, because this is what visitors will use in the web address. It's a good idea to double check it before creating it, especially if you want it to look clean and professional. Once everything looks correct, click on Create. Hostinger will then generate the subdomain for you. After that, it may take a little time to fully become active depending on your setup, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. And that's everything. You're all set. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, since it genuinely helps the channel and tells me these guides are worth making. If you got stuck anywhere along the way, or there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next, drop it in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want to keep up with future step-by-step guides like this one, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.